Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your watch history is missing from your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Whenever you go into your profile section and go into the setting and privacy from the profile section, you will get this activity center into here. And into activity center you will get this option of watch history. Try checking here if you didn't find watch history directly but it is not showing watch history into activity center into yours. Just simply scroll down to bottom and click to this report a problem, and into report a problem section just simply scroll down to bottom and then click to this submit a report option. And after clicking into submit a report option, it will open up this kind of screen into your device. Then you just simply have to type that I lost my watch history into here, and after that enter a screenshot or video recording of your problem and then click to the submit button. And after that support team will review your request and after that your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.